Welcome to JM Students Edufriend. In the video, we will talk about 11th Standard Accountancy, Unit 5, Sum number 4. Prepare the trial balance from the following balances of Babu as on 31st March 2016. So, we are heading in the books of Babu, trial balance as on 31st 3 2016. Okay, so first, cash in hand, asset, so debit column 7,000. Sundry debtors, asset, so debit column 5,400. Salaries, expenses, debit column 6,800. Bad debts, loss, adanala adu namakku debit column 200. Opening stock, asset, so debit column 15,400. Bills receivable, asset, debit column 7,000. Sundry creditors, liability, so credit column 11,800. Capital, liability, so credit column 25,000. Purchase, expenses, அதனால debit column 45,000. Sales, income, credit column 50,000. So add பண்ணா நமக்கு total எவ்வளவு வருது 86,800. debit and credit column ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் equal total வருது. tally ஆயிடுச்சு. So அப்ப total எவ்வளவு 86,800. That's it. Thank you.